Hello everyone and welcome back to the Learn Russian Easy, and this is lesson number 2 of our A1 Russian course. And last time we learned 6 very easy letters, and let's say again A, O, K, M, T, yeah, and today we will learn 8 more, and it will be V, N, R, S, U, H, Yo, C. So good, and remember, in the Russian alphabet, like in English, we have uppercases and lower cases, so the sound is the same, only size is changed. And let's try to learn new letters. So the first letter is V. So pay attention, it's not B like English B, it's V. Like V in a voice. An example of Russian word is voda, which mean water. Next one is not H, it's N. It's like N in a nose. And Russian example will be this with the same meaning. It's nos, which mean nose. And next one is a little bit tricky because for foreigners it's difficult to say this letter. It's R. It's like roulette R. R. Repeat after me. R. It's R. Roulette R. An example of Russian word will be radio, which mean radio. And next one is S, and it's like S in a word sun. An example will be sock, which means juice. Sock, not C like ABC, C. It will be S like in a sun. Sock. And next one is U, like double O in a word boot. Like double O in a word boot. An example of Russian word is ruka, ruka, which mean hand. Next one is h. H is like harsh H. H, like in German Bach. Bach. You can hear it at the end of word Bach. And example of Russian word will be хлеб, and which mean bread. Next one is yo. Pretty simple. It's yo like in word yo-yo. Maybe you know this toy yo-yo. And example of Russian word is yolka, yolka, which mean Christmas tree. And last one is ts. It's like ts, and ts in a word at the end of the word cats. You can hear it at the end of the word cats. Cats. An example of Russian word will be tsena, which means price, цена. So let's say it again. V, like in a voice, voda. N, like in nose, nos. R, repeat after me. R, like rolled R, like word radio, radio. S, like S in sun, and Russian word is sok. U, like double O in a boot, and Russian example is ruka, ruka. H, like in the word bach, хлеб, хлеб. Yo-yo, that's pretty simple. Yo-yo, yolka. And ц, at the end, like cats, цена. And don't try to remember this word, don't try to learn this word, it's just example for the sound. So now let's read some simple words. Don't try to remember it, we will just read it. So first one word will be sok. Sok is s, o, k, sok, which means juice, sok. Next one will be nos, n, o, s, nos, which means nose. And ruka, r, u, k, a, ruka, which means hand. And хлеб, h, l, y, b, хлеб, perfect, which means bread. And next one is yolka, yo, l, k, a, yolka, which means Christmas tree. And the last one is цена, c, n, a, цена, which means price. Good work. And try to remember that from this lesson that v is not b, it's not English b, it's v, and n is not h, it's not h, it's n, r is not p, it's r, and s, it's not c, it's s, like s, and u, h, yo, c. Good job today. So today we learned 8 letters, and together with the lesson 1 you already recognize a big chunk of the Russian alphabet, and a great job today. In lesson number 3 we will add new shapes. It will be b, g, d, z, I, y, and l. So some will feel very easy and some will be totally new for you, but we will keep it very simple. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow the playlist, and tell me in the comments which letter from today's lesson surprised you the most, yo or ц. And спасибо, see you in lesson number 3. Bye bye, пока-пока.